friends, welcome back to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have the box of all boxes today, and it is the Stitch Fix box. I didn't open it, I did peek at it online, but it doesn't always do them justice, so let's open it up. If you want to try Stitch Fix and you haven't tried it before, I'm going to leave my referral link down below. I'm struggling with this box over here. I'm going to leave my referral link down below, and you can get $25 off your first box. And I will get $25 too. I've been using my mom's referral code for the last year because you do tap out in referral credit with Stitch Fix, and I did last year. So I've been using my mom's, but I can use mine again. She said I could. She had a box with some credit from you guys signing up, and she was happy. She kept everything in it. So it's my turn if you guys want to sign up. Sorry, I'm like trying to fluff my hair. It's been like wanting to go real straight lately, and I don't know why, but it's fine. Oh my gosh. It is a beautiful bundle, you guys. Look at it! Oh my god, look at the texture in those, in that bottom part. Oh my god. Okay, so it's beautiful. Let's just get right into it. Stitch Fix description down below. If you don't know what Stitch Fix is, it's all down there. So check it out. Styling service, 75 items, $20 styling fee, goes towards what you keep. Unless you have a style pass like me, which they offer randomly, so I don't get charged styling fees. The first up. Oh, we need to read our note. Let's read the note real quick. I had to get it out of the box. I was just too excited. Hello again, Rachel. Hope you had an amazing holiday in your new house. Also, I love your new darker hair. Thank you. It's Deanna again. Hi, Deanna. I'm so excited for you to be styling me. Before I get, you kind of remind me of Rachel Bloom. I freaking love Rachel Bloom. If you're referring to, you know, the Rachel Bloom of Crazy Ex-Girlfriend fame, freaking love her. Before I get into your fix, I wanted to say that I'm so very sorry your last fix missed the mark. That's okay. It's all right. Hopefully I found something you love today. I did take a peek at your inspiration board and saw your request for this fix. We didn't have any new Vigos jeans, but I'll keep mine out for next time. Thank you. I'm wearing mine out. First I chose a color black pullover by Pink Clover. I thought the colors would look great with your dark locks. Next I chose a textured dress in burgundy by Kaylee to pair with the leopard cardigan by Bobo. Lastly, try the polka dot top by Market & Spruce with the fun teal cord joggers by 151 for a chill day at home. Can't wait for your feedback. Hope you have an amazing new year. XO Deanna. Thanks, Deanna. I do like the color black, as you can see. So, excited. First off, I was actually looking at these in the shop your looks kind of thing. Because they're just so cute. I hope they fit. They are, look how gorgeous. I like that color, obviously. They're like a velvety jogger. Got the little jogger bottom, drawstring. They have pockets. Yeah. I hope they fit. If not, I could always probably size up, I'm guessing. Because I'm just assuming they're going to be small. I don't know. Does anyone else do that? They're just like, they just assume. I don't know. Next we have the dress by Kaylee. Everything looks super cute in the preview, Deanna, because you know I picked. So, or peeked. Here is the dress by Kaylee. I love the V-neck. It has that almost like a teeny tiny waffle neck texture. And the sleeves, it has a drawstring waist, and it has pockets too. And I did see that you sized up on this one, Deanna. So I was excited about that for like extra flowiness, you know. Good call. All right, and honestly, Deanna, I was excited about everything you sent in this fix. So it's pretty nifty. Good job. This is by Market & Spruce. I forgot to read the names. Okay, I'll read the names. I'll read the names after when we go over the prices. Okay, we're gonna streamline it here. This is by Market & Spruce. Look at these cute polka dots. We have, are you green? It's like a green. It's kind of hard to tell. There we go. Green, pink, kind of like a blush, a yellow on that light gray background. That's adorable. I don't remember what you said to wear those with, but I'm going to wear them with the joggers too because they have the green and the polka dot. So here is the cardigan. I saw that this was by Bobo, like that other cardigan you sent, so kind of like the same flowiness feel. Look at that cute leopard print. I haven't been wearing too many cardigans lately though this winter so far. I did wear one today to work, but That is cute. And dun, 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 by Pink Clover. I love Pink Clover. Pink Clover, 9 Britain, all that stuff. I will, oh, this one is, you guys, it's been so long since I've done this. Exclusive. If you've been with me from the beginning, you know we whisper that word. Color Block by Pink Clover. Has that green in the bottom to kind of tie in with the joggers. Hi. And then like kind of a lightish, brownish, orangish kind of color. And then pink and gray. Yay. Okay, let's try everything on. Here's the first top by Market & Spruce. I lied, I put it on with my new suede joggers that I can't get out of. I got them from Kohl's. I love them so much. Okay, here's the first top. I think it's really cute. Let me move the camera down a little bit. Hi. Let's see. Just a little. Guess a little better angle maybe. I don't know. I don't know. Now I would feel like to come back. There we go. Yeah, that's a little better. What do we think? I think it's cute. I think it's in an extra large. I think I might see if they have it in a size up just for like the coziness factor. Otherwise, I love all the polka dots. I think it's super cute. Wear it to work. But yeah, I think I would go up just one size. So I'm liking everything a little oversized lately. And it's, you know, been the holidays and, you know, people put on weight during the holidays and during stressful moves and things. So, I mean, just saying, I'm not me specifically, just saying people do. Anyway, I like this top. I think it's cute. Market & Spruce, can't really go wrong with Market & Spruce. All right, let's try on the next one. Okay, I really like the color and the idea of this dress, Deanna, but I think the fit is a little off, and it might be because it's an XXL, but like in the shoulders and the arms right here, I think it's a little bit off. And this is an actual drawstring. If anyone gets this dress or requests it, it is an actual drawstring. It's not elastic, so you can make it as tight or like as bunched or like as loose as you want, kind of thing. So that's kind of nice. But I don't think I'm going to keep it because it is just a little bit off. But let's try with the cardigan, like you suggested. And that's cute. It is cute with the cardigan. If I can get it through the armhole, that'd be cool. And it is kind of like a waterfall cardigan where it's a little bit shorter up here and then it goes down. That's cute. I think that's really cute. And then it's a little shorter in the back because it does waterfall down in the front. I like that cardigan, but you know, like I said, I haven't really been wearing many cardigans this winter and fall like I thought I would be. I'm more into like the sweaters, but that's cute, especially like with the little drawstring there, having it be like that. Good combo. All right, let's try on the next two together. I'm so excited. I hope it fits. Okay, I have the Pink Clover top on, and I think it's a little too long, maybe, or it might just not hit me in the right spots with the color block. But here's the joggers, you guys. I think the joggers are so cute. Let me pan down on the joggers. Sorry. Sorry you see all the box there. But here are the joggers. They're really, really super soft. I love the like corduroy feel of them. I think I am gonna go up one size in them. So we'll see if they're available. Because this elastic, it is elastic, but it's like really tight elastic. And I just think they're so cute. Look at that sheen on them. With the drawstring, are you kidding? Are you kidding me? They're so cute. Okay, let me angle you down a little bit. So I might be keeping these. I don't know. But I think no to the sweater just because it's not hitting me right. Hi, I'm just trying to set my camera. Do you guys like all these little real life camera problems? There we go. Let's see. See, it's like it's really long, Deanna. Let's see. Like even to tuck it in. Okay, it's cute. I think they're cute. I don't know. What do you guys think? I think they're adorable. I would wear these out of the house, actually. I would. Would not wear them to work. Maybe if I took the drawstring out of them. That's a lot of work, just to wear them to work. Do you like these boxes? Alright, I think I've gone on long enough. I love the color. I love that it has pockets. Super cute. Hopefully they come in a bigger size. And let's go over, the names and prices. Okay, real quick, because my battery's gonna die. Prices, names. The Pink Clover Mila Color Block long sleeve pullover is $48. The Bobo Wallace Brush Cardigan is $58. Mark & Spruce Rodith Crew Neck Cotton Blend Pullover. I'm looking at both sheets. In gray is $58. The Kaylee and Edna Textured Knit Dress in burgundy, $54. 151 Mason Cord Jogger, $48. Box total $266. Buy all $199.50. Good box. Something for just a little off with like each one a little bit for me. I need to be in love, like I've said. So I think I'm gonna keep the joggers. I think. Let's hope it comes in a bigger size. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, hit the subscribe button down below. That's my Stitch Fix box. Thanks, Deanna. I'm gonna request a new one very soon. And I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. I'm trying to get this out before my battery dies. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.